Let's dive into division. Hey super math stars, if you're loving this math adventure, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell on Let's Stud so you don't miss any fun. Party popper. Alright, let's start dividing 382 by 2. First up, we look at the digit 3. We bring down the 3 to start our division. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. Let's check. 1 times 2 is 2. Now we subtract 3 minus 2 equals 1. Awesome, we've got a remainder of 1. You're doing great. Time to bring down the next digit, 8, to make the number 18. Now we have 18. Let's see how many times 2 goes into 18. We use the remainder 1 and bring down the 8 to make 18. 2 fits into 18 exactly 9 times. Let's multiply. 9 times 2 equals 18. Subtracting 18 from 18 gives us 0. Perfect. You're on a roll. We have no remainder this time. Keep it up. Let's bring down the last digit, 2, to make our next number. Last step, we have the digit 2. We bring down the 2, and now we need to divide 2 by 2. How many times does 2 fit into 2? Just 1 time. Check our work. 1 times 2 is 2. Subtract 2 from 2 and we get 0. We're all done. Fantastic work, you nailed this division. Give yourself a high five, raised hand. We've finished dividing. The final answer is 191. We found that 382 divided by 2 is 191. Great job, math explorers. We conquered dividing 382 by 2 step by step. Remember, every division problem is a chance to boost your brain power. That's all for today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and check out more awesome math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time. Bye, waving hand.